How good is your Spanish? In this quiz, you'll see different foods, and your job is to choose the correct answer. Sounds easy? Think again. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's begin. Can you guess this food?
Hamburguesa.
Do you know this Spanish word?
Pizza.
Which image is correct?
Taco.
Is it A or B?
Perro caliente.
Pick the right one.
Sushi.
Hungry for a challenge?
Pasta.
What's the name of this dish?
Carne.
Look closely. Which one is it?
Huevo.
Can you identify this drink?
Ensalada.
Which picture matches the word?
Queso.
A or B? What's your pick?
Pescado.
Do you recognize this food?
Arroz.
Show me your Spanish skills.
Pollo.
Which one looks right to you?
Pan.
Time to choose. A or B?
Caramelo.
Can you get this one right?
Papa.
What is this called in Spanish?
Zanahoria.
Ready? Pick the correct image.
Tomate.
Think fast. Which one is it?
Cebolla.
Is this easy for a foodie like you?
Ajo.
Point to the right snack.
Maíz.
Do you know this yummy word?
Lechuga.
Which side is the winner?
Brócoli.
Select the correct photo.
Manzana.
How about this one?
Plátano.
Can you name this treat?
Naranja.
Don't let this trick you.
Fresa.
Which one is the real deal?
Uvas.
Is it the left one or the right one?
Sandía.
You've got 3 seconds. Go!
Piña.
Are you an expert in Spanish food?
Limón.
Find the correct match.
Durazno.
Which image is the answer?
Mango.
Give it your best shot.
Agua.
Do you have the answer ready?
Leche.
Which one is the right fit?
Jugo.
Tap the right answer in your mind.
Refresco.
The first soda in the world was invented in the 1700s, and it was actually created as a medicine. The next questions get harder. Let's continue. Is your vocabulary on point?
Té.
What's the Spanish word for this?
Café.
Pick the best picture.
Vino.
Let's see if you know this one.
Cerveza.
Can you figure it out?
Limonada.
Which one belongs to this word?
Chocolate caliente.
It's quiz time. Ready?
Pastel.
Which of these is the correct one?
Galleta.
Show us what you know.
Helado.
Can you spot the right image?
Espagueti.
Is this a piece of cake for you?
Dona.
Which one is the correct dish?
Pavo.
Look at the text and pick.
Tostada.
Do you know your Spanish basics?
Miel.
Which image represents this word?
Mermelada.
How fast can you decide?
Atún.
Choose the right snack now.
Lentejas.
Can you beat this question?
Cereal.
Is it option A or B?
Panqueque.
Keep it up. Which one is it?
Waffle.
Do you recognize this object?
Espinaca.
Ready for the next food item?
Tocino.
Which picture is the right one?
Salchicha.
Name this in Spanish.
Papas fritas.
Are you a pro at this?
Aros de cebolla.
Which side has the answer?
Palomitas.
Think you know this one?
Papitas.
Match the word to the photo.
Maní.
Can you identify this yummy item?
Marañón.
Which one is the correct choice?
Sándwich.
Last few. Which one is it?
Burrito.
Pick the right image fast.
Camarón.
Do you know the name of this?
Cangrejo.
Is your Spanish getting better?
Langosta.
Which one is the true match?
Albóndigas.
Select the winning picture.
Aceituna.
Can you name this delicious food?
Pepinillo.
What's the right answer here?
Sal.
Which one should you pick?
Pimienta.
Don't miss this one.
Champiñón.
Ready to win this round?
Aguacate.
Is it A or B? Final answer?
Pepino.
Last one. Can you get it?
Coco.
Thanks for watching the video. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more quizzes. See you in the next one.